In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make AI-generated thumbnails using VidIQ. Creating eye-catching thumbnails is essential for grabbing viewers' attention and boosting your video's click-through rate. With VidIQ's AI-powered tools, you can easily generate professional-looking thumbnails that stand out. Let's dive right in and see how you can do this step by step. First, you'll need to head over to VidIQ. If you haven't already, open your web browser and go to the VidIQ website. Once you're there, log into your account or create one if you haven't yet. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. From here, look for the More Tools option on the menu. Clicking on this will reveal a variety of additional features that VidIQ offers. Now, once you're in the More Tools section, look for the option labeled Thumbnails. This is where the magic happens. By selecting this option, you will be directed to VidIQ's thumbnail creation area. Here, you have two main choices for creating your thumbnail. You can either describe the thumbnail you want or attach an image from your video that you wish to enhance. Let's start with the first option, describing the thumbnail. In the search bar provided, you can type in a detailed description of the kind of thumbnail you're aiming for. Be specific about the elements you want to include, such as particular colors, text, or imagery that represents the content of your video. This description will guide the AI in generating a thumbnail that aligns with your vision. Alternatively, if you have a specific frame or image from your video that you believe captures the essence of what you're looking to convey, you can upload it directly. VidIQ allows you to attach an image from your video to use as a base for your thumbnail. This is particularly useful if you already have a strong visual component in your video that you want to highlight. Once you've either described your desired thumbnail or uploaded an image, VidIQ's AI will get to work creating a custom thumbnail that's tailored to your needs. And there you have it. Whether you choose to describe your ideal thumbnail or enhance an existing image, VidIQ's AI-generated thumbnails are a powerful tool to make your videos more attractive and engaging. Remember, a good thumbnail can significantly impact your video's success by drawing in more viewers from the very first glance. So go ahead and give it a try. Experiment with different styles and see what works best for your content. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more tips on optimizing your video content.